Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel Enhance Beauty. Today, we're talking about something that can completely transform your life: exercise. Whether you love it or hate it, the benefits are undeniable. Let's break it down. You want to boost your energy, stay fit, or just feel happier? Exercise is the key. So, let's dive into the top benefits of staying active. Point number 1. Exercise makes you happier. Feeling stressed or low? Exercise can instantly lift your mood. When you move your body, your brain releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Someone looking stressed at work, then smiling after a jog. And the best part? You don't need hours in the gym. Even a 10-minute walk can make a big difference. Point number 2. Boosts energy levels. Do you feel tired all the time? Surprisingly, exercise gives you more energy. It improves oxygen flow in your body, making you feel more active and less fatigued. Person struggling to wake up in the morning, same person feeling refreshed after a quick workout. Even small activities like stretching, yoga, or a quick jog can make you feel energized for the entire day. Point number 3. Helps with weight loss and muscle strength. Want to lose weight or build muscle? Exercise is your best friend. Cardio burns calories and helps with weight management. Strength training builds muscle and boosts metabolism, so you burn calories even at rest. Person running on a treadmill, someone lifting weights, animated calories burning on screen. Pair it with a healthy diet, and you'll see amazing results. 4. Better sleep equals better life. Do you struggle to sleep at night? Exercise can help you fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. Someone tossing and turning in bed, then peacefully sleeping after a workout. But remember, avoid intense workouts right before bed, as they can make you feel too energized. Point number 5. Strengthens your heart and reduces disease risk. Your heart is a muscle, and exercise makes it stronger. It lowers blood pressure. Improves blood circulation. Reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. Animated heart pumping stronger with exercise. Just 30 minutes of physical activity daily can add years to your life. Point number 6. Improves brain power and focus. Exercise isn't just for your body, it supercharges your brain too. It improves memory, concentration, and creativity. Reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Students struggling to focus after exercising, studying with full concentration. So, if you have an exam or an important project, try working out first. Point number 7. Strengthens your immune system. Want to avoid frequent colds and flu? Regular exercise boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. Someone feeling sick often after exercising regularly, feeling strong and active. Your body becomes better at fighting bacteria and viruses, so you stay healthier all year round. Get moving today. So, whether it's a gym session, a morning walk, dancing, or even playing a sport, just get moving. Your body, mind, and future self will thank you. Host, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and comment below, what's your favorite way to exercise? See you in the next one. Stay active, stay healthy.